clean ass car.
Once I test drove it, I'm gonna seal it after that. Now that I've driven this, it's sealed. It's still, right?
Your favorite car so far?
E46 is still my favorite car.
Yeah,
but
E46.
this this is the one with the power. That shit is fast. God damn.
I feel like on coilovers would be a lot better too.
Oh yeah, stop suspension.
Nah, I'm on stock suspension with spring EMB. I don't like it.
Yeah, you still bouncy. Yeah.
It's stiff.
Hey, hey,
No,
hey.
it's not bouncy.
No Diddy,
Hey,
baby.
no Diddy.
No Diddy. No Diddy.
4K.
4K.
That shit felt good.
You guys want to get gas? Well,
Yeah.
I'm gonna lock up. I'll pull like the way it's supposed to pull.
Like if you've seen this car a few months ago, the way it drove, this shit way crazy. Like when all the brakes,
How did it go?
I gotta see that video.
Y'all recorded it?
Yeah, I recorded. I recorded him driving. I started giving the shit when I was driving. I should have been breaking up though. I don't think I gapped the spark plug.
How was the ride?
I saw you. That was that yeah.
that shit was fucking amazing.
What the fuck?
I think
My man said all drag packs are food.
Nah, I didn't see that.
All ZL1s is food, he said, guys.
Definitely didn't see that. The 2000 horsepower ZL1 pulls up. Nah, yeah, this area is fucked up. Ah, shit. What the fuck? Shut the fuck, my shit over there. I saw you clear. I'll probably go behind that PCR.
Nah, just drive down first.
Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. That's not good, bro, though.
Rich detailing. His hair.
So I had to pull the trigger on the roof. That shit is nasty. Velvet blue. Yeah, I shot park up there. Oh my balls are cold.
They got the plane. That's an R32. Clean. Right hand drive too. What up, YouTube? It's your boy King Timmy back with another video. I had a little McLaren meet. that SRT Shack old car?
It is. I forgot who I sold my truck to. GT3 RS.
It sucks.
You get. Right there.
That's not police.
Have that on camera. God damn.
Yeah, this is fire, bro. Roll cage. Clean. Yo, this is a nice ass truck. With the stockies on. The Miata. You got scared?
I heard the car turn on like before the exhaust. So it's not an SUV.
Nah, this is clean, bro. Blue and blue, back to back. Bro, chill.
It's the hardest car here, bro.
Yeah, the way it's set up.
How you doing, man?
Traction control. We going to a second car meet.
Right now we're going to Long Island Beamer versus Audi. So this is the pre-meet. gonna roll out to Capri State Park.
So you trying to race some Audis too?
I don't know about that, but we gonna take a trip to Mexico.
Jeez. You hear that, folks? Trips to Mexico. It's a lot of cars. It's a lot of activities going on today. It was kind of like cloudy, but now it's sunny.
I like that.
Now maybe we're gonna get some good activities today. It's almost that time of the year for you to start looking at cars.
I can't wait to get. I feel like we really gonna be outside. Once you get your Beamer,
We might be getting 2 cars this year. 2 cars. Oh, no, he got a bunch. This car's outside right now. So we're about to do a rollout to on BBS's. Okay. Yo, the fitment on this car is kind of crazy. Definitely gotta get another E92, man. M3 335 does not matter. So they're having like a little group meeting about no racing because, you know, New York kind of strict with that shit now. This is fire. Oh, you littering, bro? Oh! And I got that on camera. Damn, bro.
That's biodegradable.
Damn. Dropped it next to the M3, my bro. I know my man's is sick right now. So guys, we about to head out to the next location. My boy here ready to gap some people.
No, we're not gapping. We're not racing here.
My man putting the GoPro on the head. You know what that means.
Proof.
I don't see no stickers on your car, bro. He said if you have no stickers, go ahead and bug the fuck out. But if you got the stickers, take it off.
I'm a good civilian. We don't do illegal activities. I think it should be good.
BMW versus Audi. Who do you guys vote for? You know, drop it in the comments below.
At this point,
Team BMW or Team Audi? Which one are you?
I don't know.
I don't know. Damn, I didn't get to see that.
What? Bro, green, bro. Like there's no traffic in front of us. Think we should wait for the other cars to come up or
Oh, yeah.
pull over here?
Yeah. It's a nice, beautiful view, though. Bring a little shorty here.
Bird?
Hell yeah.
Oh, you're a crazy man.
Gotta be a demon, bro.
Nah, it counts like shit silver, bro. All the girls watch this video. She gonna like, unsubscribe.
I ain't say nothing wrong.
Yeah, you gonna bring your girl here. Have a nice picnic.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Bring your girl, you know, you could bring your girl, have a nice picnic.
Good man. Good man. Tell them go.
That shit look like it's about to pop a willy. Hell no, go.
Honda's fire. That shit is clean.
Jeez.
Who's that?
Porsche Macan.
Yeah, going up in front like that.
Oh, that line is long.
Free split.
No, it's the Tesla truck.
Yeah, no. This place is free split.
Oh,
Stop.
you.
Yeah.
I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. Start investing your money.
Guy, YouTube?
Yeah.
What's your shit? Sammy?
King Sammy.
What is it?
King Sammy.
King Sammy word.
Appreciate that.
I'm gonna look it up.
I appreciate
That's
that.
fire.
You let a Benz cut you off, bro? What the fuck?
Yeah, I'm on for that. Come on now.
You let the Benz run through a
Come
BMW?
on. No, I'm playing. I'm fucking around. I'm fucking around. I'm playing around. Yeah.
About to have the whole posse come past you. Look, 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 look.
You go behind me. You can go in front.
I ain't gonna lie, it look like there's a BMW, Benz, and probably Audi, but where the Audis at? I only see BMWs and Benz.
Yeah, Audi.
That's it. Word.
Double count this shit. 1,
It's like your 5th time counting that, bro.
5, 6, 7, 8. I usually throw it. I don't count it.
Ooh, he said he throw it. Money man with the M4.
Nah, chill. My shit got repoed 3 times in 1
What?
week. Crazy.
He said 3 times it got repoed.
In 1 week.
I don't believe that, man.
The repo. I like that. It was exciting. That shit go hard.
I like this Corvette with the blue interior. That's actually fire.
I've seen it.
Nice. Oh, we got the Audis. We gotta set something up.
You got a 362. Oh no, that's the new GoPro.
It's a new one.
No, DJI GoPro. Something. Not GoPro. I'm not kidding. There's a pocket cam. The videos on that is fire. That shit's like 500 sitting on his roof.
Jeez. I don't know, man. You got them cars outside today.
Oh shit, that's supercharger.
My man car declined.
Yeah, I'm about to just go up there.
Yo, say that one more time for the camera.
No.
He said, how this line is moving before this line? My man car keep declining.
Really? I'm just gonna go up there and pay for him. Tell him to subscribe and like.
Tell me
Beamer
if he's a subscriber of Beamer Vault or King Sammy, you know, we pay for him. Tussle.
Yo. No, he's waiting on one car. His shit kept declining. How the fuck is shit declining? Huh? The car, the two cars, the shit that. Oh, I don't know. Shit about to get repoed. No problem. Have a good day. TLC, you better get back to work.
Jeez. Say it again.
Golly. Cal, can you be any louder?
I got more space or not?
Oh yeah.
We're not talking about your belly, bro.
Go ahead, bro. Cook his bumper, nigga.
We is here, guys. I ain't gonna lie, it is really packed right now. And it just started. Audi versus BMW. It's a little bit of Infinity here. Nah. Back outside with it. All the cars are outside today. Nah, it's fire ass license plate. Look at the Audi boys. This is fire setup right here.
I don't even think what? I don't even think if I see no turbo man, I could even keep up with anything. I'm still behind.
Yo, perfect tool to have in your garage.
The wheels in the back too? I think those are.
It's like, it look like 17s.
Oh, those are Falcons. No, those are the Nittos. That's 5R2. Same ones I have. But this is clean build.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, bro. Mind sending me those?
I got you. There's only one Mustang there.
Huh. This is a clean ass 335 or 340. I ain't gonna hold you. It's an M340? Nah, this is a clean ass build. The color on it, like, it's justice in person. Like, you can't like justify it. I'll give this like a 10. Nah, this is sick. I need to get a black plate like that. Big chop.
Money.
Yeah. Clean ass Supra. Look at this F30, boy. On a drag pack. Everybody be on a drag pack though. Wanna know if it's fast. Nah, they got them cars out today though. Nah, this is fire. This is on some Forza specs. Stock.
I've never seen some shit in my life.
Nah, this is clean.
It has to be modded to have this kick like this. There's no way this shit not fast. And if it's not, that's terrible.
Yeah.
That's different.
Benz on B-Locks?
It was the way they were just locking up the streets of race.
I have no idea.
Yo, you should put that Beamer, bro. 101.
This is where the old Audi.
That's a fight. Word. It's okay. 340. This guy always working with the camera.
That's what niggas is saying.
I don't know.
You watched the video?
Nah,
You see the video of the out on the who was racing? The Subaru
I finally
versus.
put wheels on my shit after like 2 or 3 years.
Okay.
It's clean.
You had this for 3 years already?
Like 2 and some change, bro.
Oh, yeah. I thought you already covered the
Oh, that's the. Oh, that's the.
Yeah, I put it.
Everybody's leaving. People's wrapping it up. Got the hookah. That's just clean. We about to leave. This is not a nice ass car, man. I can't stop looking at it. One of my favorite cars here today. But yeah, we about to leave, man. It's getting boring here. I want to go home. Get in my bed. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Time to go.
I love the 155. Y'all, I love these. The size is perfect. Yeah, these on the R888s. Okay. I gotta find out.
end the video off right here. Like, comment, subscribe. While I keep posting videos, trying to be active with this YouTube vlogs. We're going car shopping on Monday, or whenever this video should come out. The next day we're going car shopping. About to head out. YouTube, peace. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Trying to post as freaking as we can. We know, show the brother some love. And we is out, bro. Peace. It is getting crazy, guys. All the Benz is leaving.